Welcome friends. In this module we discuss partition values. Partition values. The basic purpose of all the measures of central tendency discussed so far was to know more and more about the characteristics of a data set. Another method to analyze a data set is by arranging all the observations in ascending order of their magnitude and then dividing this ordered series into more parts of equal size. Partition values are the values of a series which divides the data into a number of equal parts. Median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles, etc. are the important partition values. Partition values help us in understanding how various values are scattered around the median. Median is the partition value which divides the data into two equal parts. We already discussed how to find median for a given set of observations. Quartiles are the partition values which divides the data into four equal parts. There are three quartiles denoted by Q1, Q2 and Q3. For n observations, Q1 is the lower quartile, which is the observation coming in the n by 4th position when the observations are arranged in ascending order of magnitude, and Q3 is the upper quartile, which is the observation coming in the 3n by 4th position when the observations are arranged in ascending order of magnitude, and Q2 is the observations which comes in the middle. Hence, the second quartile Q2 is nothing but the median of the observations. The first quartile Q1 has 25% of the observations below it and 75% of the observations greater than it. The second quartile Q2 has 50% of the observations below and above it each, while the third quartile Q3 has 75% of the observations it's below and 25% of the observations above. Hence, it is obvious that Q1 less than Q2 less than Q3. It is important to remember that the values must be arranged in ascending order of magnitude to find quartiles, deciles and percentiles. That is the partition values in general except median. To find median, we could arrange the data either in ascending or descending order, but for other partition values there is the only choice of arranging data in ascending order of magnitude. For the observations given in the form of frequency table, Q1 and Q3 can be get in a similar way of approximating the median. The expressions for Q1 and Q3 are Q1 equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus M1 into C1 by F1, where L1 equal to lower bound of the class in which the n by 4th observation is coming. Capital N, that is equal to the total frequency, M1 is the cumulated frequency of the class just before the class in which the n by 4th observation is coming. C1 equal to class interval of this class and F1 is the frequency of this class. Q3 equal to L3 plus 3 n by 4 minus M3 into C3 by F3, where L3 is the lower bound of the class in which the 3 n by 4th observation is coming. Capital N is the total frequency, M3 is the cumulated frequency of the class just before the class in which the 3 n by 4th observation is coming. C3 is the class interval of this class and F3 is the frequency of this class. Problem. Obtain the first and third quartiles for the following data. Mid values of the classes are as 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. The corresponding frequencies 5, 9, 20, 31, 18, 11 and 6. Solution. Data is expressing in the form of class and frequency as follows: classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70 with the corresponding frequencies 5, 9, 20, 31, 18, 11 and 6. Now, it is to write the cumulative frequencies corresponding to each class, which is written as follows: less than cumulative frequencies as 5, 14, 34, 65, 83, 94 and 100. The first quartile Q1 equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus M1 into C1 divided by F1. The n by 4th, that is 25th observation coming in the class 20 to 30. Then Q1 equal to 20 plus 100 by 4 minus 14 into 10 divided by 20, that is equal to 25.5. The third quartile Q3 equal to L3 plus 3n by 4 minus M3 into C3 divided by F3. the 3n by 4, that is 75th observation coming in the class 40 to 50. Then Q 3 equal to 40 plus 3 into 100 by 4 minus 65 into 10 by 18, that is 45.55. Deciles are the partition values which divides the data into 10 equal parts. There are 9 deciles denoted by D1, D2, etc. D9. For n observations, D1 is the observation coming in the n by 10th position when the observations are arranged in ascending order of magnitude, and D2 is the observation coming in the 2n by 10th position. Finally, D9 is the observation coming in the 9n by 10th position when the observations are arranged in ascending order of magnitude. The deciles D1, D2, etc. D9 respectively has 10%, 20%, etc. 90% of the observations below them. Note that the fifth decile D5 has 50% of observations below it and hence 50% of observations above it. Hence, it is nothing but the median of the observations. For the observations given in the form of frequency table, di values for I equal to 1, 2, etc. 9 can be approximated using the following expression: di equal to Li plus I into n by 10 minus mi into Ci divided by Fi for I equal to 1, 2, etc. 9, where Li is the lower bound of the class in which the I into n by 10th observation is coming. Capital N is the total frequency. Mi is the cumulated frequency of the class just before the class in which the I into n by 10th observation is coming. Ci is the class interval of this class and Fi is the frequency of this class. You can note that the fifth decile D5 divides the observation into 2 equal parts. Hence, D5 is the median of the given set. Percentiles are the partition values which divides the data into 100 equal parts. There are 99 percentiles by P1, P2, etc. P99. For n observations, P1 is the observation coming in the n by 100th position when the observations are arranged in ascending order of magnitude, and P2 is the observation coming in the 2n by 100th position, and finally, P99 is the observation coming in the 99n by 100th position when the observations are arranged in ascending order of magnitude. The percentiles P1, P2, etc. P99 respectively has 1%, 2%, etc. 99% of the observations below them. Note that the 50th percentile P50 has 50% of observations below it and hence 50% of the observations above it. Hence, P50 is the median of the observations. For the observations given in the form of frequency table, Pi values for I equal to 1, 2, etc. 99 and be approximated using the following expression: Pi equal to Li plus I into n by 100 minus mi into Ci divided by Fi for I equal to 1, 2, etc. 99, where Li is the lower bound of the class in which the I into n by 100th observation is coming. Capital N is the total frequency and mi is the cumulative frequency of the class just before the class in which the I into n by 100th observation is coming. Ci is the class interval of this class and Fi is the frequency of this class. Percentile rank. Percentile rank of a particular value of the observed variable is a percentage p such that the specified value of the variable is the pth percentile of the set of observations. Thus, the percentile rank of the median value of a set of observations is 50. Interrelation between the partition values. Note that the percentiles P10, P20, P30, etc. P90 are equal to the deciles D1, D2, etc. D9. P25, P50 and P75 are the quartiles Q1, Q2 and Q3 of the given set, and P50 equal to D5, that is equal to Q2, that is equal to median. The term quantile is a general term of division point relative to any partition. Hence, median, quartiles, deciles, etc. are examples of quantiles. Problem: obtain the 7th decile and 95th percentile of the following 100 observations. classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20 up to 70 to 80 with the corresponding frequencies 7, 13, 18, 22, 17, 13, 6 and 4. Solution. To get the 7th decile, it is to identify the class in which 7 into n by 10th, that is 7 into 100 by 10th, that is 70th observation is coming. Here the cumulative frequencies of the classes are 7, 20, 38, 60, 77, 90, 96 and 100 respectively. Note that the observations from 60th to 77th are coming in the class 40 to 50. Hence, using the following expression for 7th decile, we get D7 equal to L7 plus 7 into 100 by 10 minus M7 into C7 by F7, that is equal to 40 plus 70 minus 60 into 10 by 17, that is 45.88. To get the 95th percentile, it is to identify the class in which 95 into n by 100th observation, that is 95 into 100 by 100, that is 95th observation is coming. Note that the observations from 90th to 96th are coming in the class 60 to 70. Hence, using the following expression for 95th decile, we get P 95 equal to L 95 plus 95 into 100 by 100 minus M 95 into C 95 divided by F 95, that is equal to 60 plus 95 minus 90 into 10 by 6, that is equal to 68.33. Graphic method for finding deciles and percentiles. From the less than ogive, identify the values of I into capital N by 10 on y axis and draw a perpendicular from there to meet the curve. Note the x coordinate of this meeting point. This is the ith decile. Similarly, identify the values of I into capital N by 100 on y axis and draw a perpendicular from there to meet the curve. Note the x coordinate of this meeting point. This is the ith percentile. Problem. Using the data given showing the age distribution of live births in a country for 2000, find the 30th, 80th deciles and 3rd quartile graphically and numerically. Mother's age and corresponding number of live births are given. Mother's age 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44 and 45 and above. The corresponding number of live births 6, 267, 588, 832, 948, 512, 102 and 5. Solution. Here the total frequency capital N equal to 3260. It is possible to locate percentiles, deciles and quartiles from less than ogive of the given data. Less than cumulative frequencies of the each class are listed below. Mother's age in classes 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44 and 45 and above. Number of live births 6, 267, 588, 832, 948, 512, 102 and 5. Then the cumulated frequencies 6, 273, 861, 1693, 2641, 3153, 3255 and finally 3260. Use upper bound of the classes and corresponding less than cumulative frequencies and complete less than ogive. After balancing the classes, their upper bound becomes 14.5, 19.5, 24.5, 29.5, 34.5, 39.5 and 44.5. Corresponding less than frequencies are 6, 273, 861, 1693, 2641, 3153, 3255 and 3260. Less than ogive is as follows. Here 30 into n by 10, that is equal to 30 into 3260 by 10, that is equal to 978. X value corresponding to the y value 978 gives the 30th decile. 18 to n by 10, that is 80 into 3260 by 10, that is equal to 2608. X value corresponding to the y value 2608 gives the 80th decile and 75 into n by 100, that is equal to 75 into 3260 by 100, that is 2445. X value corresponding to the y value 2445 gives the third quartile. Graphically, we can locate these values as follows. The graph gives the location for D3, D8 and Q3 approximately as 25.5, 34 and 33.5. The precision can be improved by drawing the ogive stick to the scale. Numerically, we get these values in more precise as D3 equal to L3 plus 3 into 3260 by 10 minus M3 into C3 by F3. Since 3 into 3260 by 10, that is 978, the class in which 978th observation is 24.5 to 29.5. Hence, L3 equal to 24.5, M3 equal to 861, C3 equal to 5 and F3 equal to 832. Then, D3 equal to 24.5 plus 978 minus 861 into 5 by 832, that is 25.203. D8 equal to L8 plus 8 into 3260 by 10 minus M8 into C8 by F8. Since 8 into 3260 by 10 is equal to 2608, the class in which 2608th observation is 29.5 minus 34.5. Hence, here L8 equal to 29.5, M8 equal to 1693, C8 equal to 5 and F8 equal to 948. Then D8 equal to 29.5 plus 2608 minus 1693 into 5 by 948, that is 34.326. Q3 equal to L3 plus 3 into 3260 by 4 minus M3 into C3 by F3. Since 3 into 3260 by 4, that is 2445, the class in which 2445th observation is 29.5 minus 34.5. Hence, here L3 equal to 29.5, M3 equal to 1693, C3 equal to 5 and F3 equal to 948. Then Q3 equal to 29.5 plus 2445 minus 1693 into 5 by 948, that is 33.46. Before we conclude this session, let us have a quick look at what we have discussed in this module. In this module, the concept of partition values are introduced. The partition values median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles are discussed in detail. Numerical and graphical methods of finding the partition values are discussed. The interrelations between various partition values are also considered. Now, please try to answer the following questions. 1. Daily caloric intake of 15 healthy females are recorded as follows: 20.7, 22.4, 23.1, 23.8, 24.5, 25.3, 25.7, 30.6, 30.6, 33.2, 33.7, 36.6, 37.1, 37.4 and 40.8. Find the quartile values of daily caloric intake. Next question: frequency distribution of the resting systolic blood pressure for a sample of 35 patients with suppression of blood flow to the heart is given below. Blood pressure 150 into 124, 125 to 134, 135 to 144, 145 to 154, 155 to 164, 165 to 174 and finally 175 to 184. The corresponding number of patients 4, 5, 5, 7, 5, 4 and 5. Obtain 2nd, 5th and 8th deciles. Obtain 23rd, 45th and 85th percentiles. Next question: use graph to locate the 3rd decile and 3rd quartile for the following data on serum cholesterol levels of 290 men. Cholesterol levels 80 to 119, 120 to 159, 160 to 199, 200 to 239, 240 to 279, 280 to 319, 320 to 359 and 360 to 399. the corresponding number of men 10, 40, 102, 85, 33, 13, 4 and 3. Hope you enjoyed the session. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.